The Bigg Boss house is no stranger to drama, but this season, Bigg Boss 19 has turned up the heat. From explosive arguments to fiery confrontations, the housemates have kept us on the edge of our seats. Let's dive into the biggest fights that shook the house this season. First up, Abhishek Bajaj versus Neelam Giri. What started as a small disagreement quickly escalated into a full-blown verbal battle. Abhishek called Neelam out for her alleged manipulative behavior, while Neelam accused him of arrogance. The tension got so heated that housemates had to step in and try to mediate, but the damage was done. Fans on social media were divided. Some supported Abhishek, while others felt Neelam was unfairly targeted. Next, Awais Darbar versus Basir Ali. These two strong personalities were once allies, but their fallout over leadership turned into one of the season's most dramatic clashes. Awais accused Basir of being too controlling during tasks, leading to personal jabs and harsh words. This argument created a huge rift in the group, with some housemates siding with Awais, while others supported Basir. The fallout was explosive, and the tension lingered throughout the season. Then came the intense battle between Mridul Tiwari and Shehbaz Badesha. It all began when Mridul questioned Shehbaz's credibility and gameplay. Shehbaz, known for his no-nonsense attitude, didn't take kindly to the comment, and what followed was a war of words. Another shocking clash was between Mridul Tiwari and Abhishek Bajaj. What started as a quiet alliance turned into a massive confrontation over strategic decisions. Both accused each other of being manipulative and weak in the game. The fight escalated to such an extent that housemates had to step in to prevent it from turning physical. And finally, Neelam Giri versus Awais Darbar. This fight was all about loyalty. Neelam accused Awais of being two-faced, pretending to be her ally while secretly working with others. Awais fired back, accusing Neelam of manipulation. The tension between them reached a boiling point, and the housemates once again had to intervene. Bigg Boss 19 has been nothing short of dramatic, and these intense fights have only added fuel to the fire. While the arguments sparked debates and divided opinions, they also kept the audience glued to their screens. The house is full of shifting alliances, and with every new day, we can only expect more fireworks. Which fight do you think was the most intense? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.